got all our ingredients set out here. Got a cast iron pan set over on the stove. We've got celery, green bell pepper, onion, chicken kielbasa or andouille sausage, a couple of spices, garlic, and some shrimp. We're gonna start by cutting up our chicken and sausage and getting those going first. Just a quick snap. All right, got this all cut up. Pan's heated up. Just gonna add these and get them browning up first. While this is cooking, let's get our vegetables cut up. All right, we've got our meat cut up, got that going. Now let's get our bell pepper, onion, and celery chopped up. Okay, now we've got all of our vegetables chopped up. Let's get these added in over here. All right, so we got our chicken cooked a little bit, just so most of the pink is off the outside. Now we're gonna add a big spoonful of minced garlic. It's about 3 or 4 cloves worth of garlic. And we're going to add all of our chopped vegetables. Just add them right in here. Just gonna cook this down until the onions start to get a little bit translucent, but we don't want the peppers and celery to get completely soft. We want just a little bit of crunch left there. All right, so the onions are just starting to get soft, so we're going to toss in the rest of the stuff. So next we're gonna add diced tomatoes. All right, now let's add a couple of spices. So we've got 1 tablespoon of paprika. Got a half a tablespoon of thyme. Half a tablespoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of cayenne. All right, we'll just let this sit and simmer for a little while. It's been simmering for a few minutes, so I'm going to add the shrimp. I've just got some pre-cooked frozen shrimp because we're a ways from an ocean and there's a pandemic going on. This will work. Stir it in. Let it keep simmering. There we have some Cajun what's it. You can add rice if you want this to be a real jambalaya like. If you're trying to stay low carb and keto, you could use cauliflower rice. I'm not a fan of cauliflower rice, so we just eat it just the way it is. If you liked this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to Factor 85 Labs, hit subscribe so you can see any other cooking videos or any other videos that we make. And leave a comment down below and let me know, is jambalaya still jambalaya if it doesn't have rice? Thanks for watching. See you next time.